show you the backyard. Ta-da! I haven't been down there yet since there isn't really anything you can do in that backyard garden yet until the soil is warm enough to be worked on. And I would love to have that garden that we started digging. I would love to have that tilled in June, or maybe hopefully sooner than that, and I'll plant vegetables and flowers there and move these raised beds to that area right there. That's the plan anyway. And back to the balcony. I started doing some work here. Need to revitalize the soil that are already in the pots. So I brought in some soil, compost, wood chips. I started to do that to hopefully plant some daffodils that are left over from last time, but it got too cold. So here is some spring cleaning and dahlia leftovers. So this is going to the compost. These buckets need to be cleaned, and there'll be my vegetable pots in this balcony. Those ones over there are hostas. I divided some hostas last summer and I didn't have quite enough room for the rest of the plants, so I placed them in those pots, and I found that they were lovely in the balcony, so I never really planted them anywhere else. But we'll see this summer if they sprout again and grow. These are homemade compost, so I kept them here to see how they turned out, because I have a video that I made on what things I put in there, and they were just sitting here in the balcony for the rest of the winter. And that's an oregano. I don't know, I'm soaking it in water to hopefully revive it. I kept it in the garage and have forgotten about it, so I don't know if it will bloom again. These are some perennials, and once again I didn't have enough room for them in the front yard, so hopefully I'll plant that in the backyard soon. More perennials right here, and in this pot is another hosta which has a sprout right there. So there's a great big hope for the hostas planted in those blue pots to blossom again. Here's a dahlia that I neglected. I could have taken that in the garage so that it would overwinter there, and I sort of got lazy and I neglected it, and it's too bad because it was a big one and has yellow blossoms. Oh well, snooze you lose. This is a clematis. You've probably seen it in my previous vlogs. I left it in this small pot over here. I was hoping that it would survive in a pot because it would be lovely to have it climbing all over this fence right here. I have a lot of uncertainties about it. I should have planted it in bigger pots. I should have protected it more from the cold. I didn't get the chance to do that because I got tired. I did a lot last summer, and yep, I was tired and I didn't get to do a lot of things that I wanted to do. Well, hopefully we'll do them this year. And that's about it for my vlog today, I think, because I am going in and prepare supper, and I think that would be it for me.